Poco X4 PRO 5G. The all-around ACE 120Hz AMOLED. The display features a high-speed 120Hz refresh rate for a Poco X4 PRO 5G. The all-around ACE 120Hz AMOLED. The display features a high-speed 120Hz refresh rate for a smooth and fluid experience whether browsing the web or playing games. The high-speed 120Hz refresh rate allows you to enjoy an unprecedented experience. 6.67-inch AMOLED display. Poco X series now has an AMOLED display and supports DCI-P3. The expanded color range produces rich details, giving a cinematic look and feel. The front camera aperture is only 2.96 mm, expanding your field of view. Speeding it up with a 360 Hz touch sampling rate. The ultra-fast touch sampling rate of 360 Hz greatly reduces touch latency and responds to every action with sensitivity and precision, helping you stay one step ahead. Whether you are in bright light, low light, or a backlit environment, you will notice subtle changes in brightness to keep your eyes comfortable. Adaptive brightness to keep your eyes comfortable in even the darkest of nights. Adaptive brightness adjusts your display based on your surrounding ambient light, reducing eye fatigue. Slim and lightweight with extraordinary capacity. The 8.12 mm thin and 205G light body is equipped with a massive 5000 mAh battery. Professional 108MP. For a large sensor size. For the first time, Poco has adopted the 108MP flagship camera for photographs that are stunning and rich in detail. The Super outsole boasts superior light sensitivity, dual native ISO, and higher dynamic range for brighter brights and darker darks. Roam the world with ultra-fast 5G high-performance Snapdragon registered 5G processor. Boasts superior energy efficiency and delivers a maximum download speed of 2.5 Gbps. It is compatible with the major 5G bands used across the world and supports both NSA and SA networking modes. Powerful Snapdragon registered 695, the industry-leading 6nm production process, plus one of the latest Cortex-A78 powerful CPU core offer a flagship user experience. Don't underestimate the power of its CPU. It can handle everything from large games to AI apps with ease. LPDDR4X up to 8GB RAM. UFS 2.2 up to 256GB ROM. Keep your device cool with liquid cool technology 1.0 plus. The Poco X4 PRO 5G features a large liquid cool copper pipe and multiple layers of graphite sheets for rapid heat dissipation and sustained cooling, allowing the device to run at high performance for longer. With advanced MMT technology, the 5000 mAh battery can be charged to 100% in 41 minutes. Dual speakers for greater listening possibilities. The three-dimensional sound field constructed by the dual speakers generates a more refined and layered sound. Side-mounted fingerprint sensor. 3.5 mm earphone jack radio *multifunctional NFC.